Welcome everyone back to the Vauxhall Vivaro van build series. Today we're going to start pimping the van up, making it look a little bit different. I've started already. I've already painted the sills and you're going to see that in the video today. I've used a company called M.A.D and they will actually mix the paint of the colour of your van to suit. So all you have to do is put in your registration number and they will send you the right colour for your van, providing you haven't changed it. What I will say is that the colour was slightly yellow. So just bear that in mind. It won't be 100%, but maybe 99%. The other job I'm going to do today is actually use a company called Rimblades. And I'm going to put a white trim around my black alloys. As you know, I originally on this van had steels. I took them off, put some alloys on, rubbed them down before I put them on and sprayed them black. This time round, I'm going to put a white trim around the edge and I'm going to show you what you get from Rimblades and how to put them on your van. Okay, so before we start, let's make sure that we've got everything. We've got the wheel clean gel, which you're going to use, which is 70% alcohol to clean the wheels thoroughly. You've got adhesive promoters, which you're going to put on after everything's fully cleaned, and also a cleaning wipe. So you've got the gel and the cleaning wipes. Then you let that dry. You then use the adhesive promoters. Let that dry, and then you have the Rimblades themselves, which you're going to put on with a 3M backing tape. Once you've done that and thoroughly pushed it onto the wheel trim, you then have some Rimblade joiners that with some adhesive, and that seals up the join. So let's jack the van up and let's get these on. As you can see, we've got some wear and tear here on the paintwork itself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and rub this down, and then I'm going to undercoat it, and then I'm going to spray it just to tidy it up so we can put the silver trim over the top of it.